Hi friends! So today we're going to be learning how to draw a honey pot. Grab your pencil and let's get started. Mine is linked in the description box below. And you're going to get started by drawing a little dot. Then you're going to draw another little dot for the other eye. And a cute little smile in the middle. Lovely. Then a little cheek. And another little cheeky, and those are just circles, easy peasy. And then you're going to draw a little straight line on the bottom with a slight curve on each side. Then we're going to go ahead and draw another line right underneath it that's a little bit longer. Then we're going to go for a ride. And we're going to draw a line going up and down in a nice little squiggle like that. Wavy. Then you're going to draw two lines on the diagonal, like so, and a line across that connects them. Perfect. I love the way this is looking. You're going to draw two little lines and a line all the way across to join it. Great. Then we're drawing a rainbow all the way across. And we're going to connect that to the top. Cool. And then you're going to draw two little lines on the side. And look how easy this is. You're just connecting it to the bottom line all the way down. Perfect. And we're drawing two little lines like so, and a little tiny circle right there. And from the circle, you're going to draw a loop on one side, then a loop on the other side, and two lines going out like that for the bow. Great! What's left is the honey spilling over, so we're going for squiggly, wavy lines. You can have fun with this and make your own shape of the honey. And we're almost done. We're going to draw the highlight on the honey. Just one little circle there, and another little circle right there. And if you color that in, make sure to not color in that circle. Then you're drawing two lines like so and connecting them, and that's the shadow. There! I really like how this turned out. I think it's so cheerful, and I hope that you will join me for the next drawing.